Hey guys and girls, welcome to Learn Dutch through English lesson series by ifectioner.com. In this lesson, we are going to learn how do we call different garden items in Dutch. Garden is town and items are artikelen in Dutch. Garden items, town, artikelen. T-U-I-N, town. A-R T E K K A L A N artikelen. Town artikelen. Let's start our lesson. Barbecue. Barbecue. B A R bar B A C U A barbecue. 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 Bench is bunk. B-A-N-K, bunk. Bunk. Bunk of or town bunk. Flower is bloom. B-L-O-A-M, bloom. 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 Garden fork. Town fork. V is pronounced as fe. Town, garden, fork, fork. T-U-E-N, town. F-O-R-K, fork. Town fork. Town fork. Town fork. Hand trowel. Hunt truffle. Hunt, H-A-N-D, hunt, truffle, T-L-O, F-A-L, truffle, hunt truffle, hunt truffle, hunt truffle, hunt truffle, R is with trill. Hedge trimmer is hechen schaar. Hechen schaar. Schaar is trimmer. It is H-A-H-H-A-N, hechen schaar. S-C-H-A-A-R, schaar. Hechen schaar. Hechen schaar. Some people would say it as Hagen scar, but it's between G and H. It's Hagen scar. Hose pipe. Town slang. T-U-E-N, town. S-L-A-N-G. Town slang. Town slang. Town slang. Lawn mower. Grass mower. Grass is grass. G-R-A-S, grass. Mower. M-A-A-E-A-R, mower. Grass mower. Grass mower. Grass mower is lawn mower. Plant is plant. P-L-A-N-T, plant. 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 Pond is fifer. Fe E Ya Fe A R, fifer. 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 Rake is hark. H-A-R-K, hark. 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 So you have to do a R trill, R in R. So it's hark. Spade is spade. 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 S-P-A-D-A. Spade. Spade. It's not spade, it's spade. Sprinkler is Spreader. S-P-R-O-A-E-A-R. Spreader. 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 Tree. Boom. B-O-O-M. Boom. 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 Watering can is heater. H-E-A-T-A-R. Heater. 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 And guys and girls, that was our lesson on garden items in Dutch. As a practice session, please watch this video again and repeat every word after the instructor. If you would like to download the PDF of this presentation, then please go to ifechtner.com. If you liked this video, then please thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next tutorial. Until then, dag, doei.